Okay guys, hi and welcome back. The first thing we have here is a code block. Okay, so here in the code I can write here pre with code, and here I can make and lt and this. Okay, and here I can make p and here gt. Okay, this for the left and this for the right. So here I have this p. Great. Or I can make h1 or anything I want. Okay, so here I can make anything here. Simple text here. Okay, and I can make I can copy this. So now I got this. Great. So now we know how to do it. We can make it for the h1 or anything we want. Okay? Let's do it again so we can make sure that you understand it. Pre the code, the left, and here h1 and dt. Okay, here I have the h1. Okay, so here now I have just a moment. Okay, I can make sample text here, and here I can copy this part and just make this into h1. Okay, I just want to make something different. What if I make this into h1? So now I got this, right? But because of the code, we have this into this one. So here, what if we make this h1 again and h1? So here we got this. Great. Now we know how to do this and this. The next thing we have here is the variables. So here I have these variables. Let's test it together. Okay. So here I have the variable y, m, x, and p. I think this is a variable for the line because I'm an engineer. I was studying computer and I was studying computer, mechatronics, and robotics. I think I will make a course before for the mechatronics and robotics. I will explain everything I have in the University of London South Bank. Okay, so here let's make it var. Okay, var y equal. Let's see what we have here. Yes, here I have y equal, and here I can make a var m. Here I have m. Okay, and here plus var of p. Okay, now we just got a problem here. Yes, here I make another var which stands for the variable mx plus p. Great. Here I have this. The next thing we have is the user input, and then we have just the samp. Okay, here we have the user input. We can make here to switch. Okay, directories type kbd c. Let's see what we have here when I reload. Here I have this, but I just want to break the line. So I have this here now. Great. After this, I can make something different. Here I can make okay, to edit settings press key BD and key BD, control, okay, great. And here after the control I have plus, okay, let's see what we have here. Here we got this, control plus. It is the same, but if you want to make it like this, you can, it's okay. So I can break the line here again. Okay, and this is the last thing for this video, is the sample output. Okay, here I can make in the code sample. Samp stands for the sample. This text is meant to be treated as sample output from a computer program. Okay, this is the sample. This variable and this sample is used from the backend web developers. Okay, now we are done with the code. We are done with the code and typography and the report. In the next video we will move to the images. We will know how to make all of that. It is not very big. I think we will make it just in one video. And then to the tables, we will know how to make these tables. And finally, figures. Okay, I have studied the computer science or the computer engineering as the most people said, but there's a difference between the computer engineering and the computer science. I have studied the web designing in the University of London in the UK and the University of Michigan in the US, and I have studied the mechatronics and robotics in a university which belongs to the London South Bank University. Okay, so here in the next video we will move to the images. Good luck and have fun!